Alright, we're working on the 1989 Chevrolet S10, and today I put a new seat cover in. It was fairly simple. Looks pretty good. The only way to do a better job is if I take the whole seat out, which I don't know, I might have to do that later, but we'll see. It seems to be working just fine the way that is. Also, I finally got the spark plugs installed today. I got the Iridium NGKs put in. I had to use this and even this set up with a quarter drive. And I actually broke them with this. I needed a socket just the right length, and it turned out to be a 1/2-inch drive socket. But the main problem was this was right in the way, the steering gear. That's where to install the spark plug I ended up using this, the quarter drive setup. But to take it out I did use how to get it broke loose. I'm pretty sure that's what I used. That, and it was this here on the 3/8. The trick to it was just getting the right tools that would fit in there. I ended up pretty much destroying that set of spark plug wires I just put on, but that's okay. We'll get another set. One of these I couldn't get off without cutting it up. Anyway. So that's what got done today. I got work later, so I'm going to go ahead and go pick up some spark plug wires probably now. Probably going to put the plugs and wires in. I've been searching for a vacuum leak. Haven't found it. But I got a gauge that'll tell me if it has a vacuum leak. And we can put the, tacked well, set the RPM correctly, and the timing on it, and check and make sure that's all correct. So that should be what we need to get done for the tune-up. It ought to run a lot better then. The plugs that came out weren't that good at all. There's 4 of them there. So the new plug I put in is would be what you call a hotter plug. It'll have a hotter spark, and the vehicle won't take as long to warm up. It'll work better in cold weather. So this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.